for a smart speaker, of course, we need voice. And I will share with you the reason why we believe that your voice matters. So basically, I will start this presentation with a quote. It's a quote from a very famous guy. I'm quite sure you know this one. And basically, he said a very interesting thing many years ago, but I think it's still very true today. He said, be a voice, not an echo. So I slightly edited this slide, of course, and I've put a capital letter for the E. Basically, it's all about voice and personalized voices and voice identity. And we will explain basically why personalized voices are very essential for customer experience. So a quick word about Acapela Group. Acapela Group is about 40 people working specifically on speech synthesis, and we claim to be the leading European speech synthesis expert. We have more than 1,000 active customers today, working in 30 languages, and we have more than 100 voices in our standard catalog. We have offices in Belgium, France, Sweden, USA, and Morocco. So yeah, that's just quick words. We are working on many different types of markets. We have a large part of our activity in accessibility market. We are also very active in transport, public transportation, like airports, train stations. You can hear our voices. Automotive, I will talk about that a bit later. Of course, in customer relationship market, we have our voice is available on Android. We are very much present in mobile applications. Of course, we are also working on robots, consumer electric goods, and more generally IoT. So we have, as I said, many references, more than 1,000 active customers right now. Should be okay. It's now connected again. Okay. Okay, so these are a few references, but of course, it's not all of the references are not here. So basically, our vision within Acapela is the following, and I think you share the same vision because we are all here about smart speakers and virtual vocal assistants. We believe that we are entering into a voice-first environment. So basically what happens in a voice-first environment, the voice becomes the main user interface to interact with things. There have been in the past a few disruptions, and of course we're talking about PC, and then the web arrived, and then mobile with the iPhone, social network with Facebook, and we believe now we are entering into that new era with a voice-first environment. So devices 100% designed through voice interactions. And in that world of voice-first devices, we believe at Acapela that there is a strong identity issue. Can you imagine having the same voice anywhere and anytime? If you go to a bank, you get a voice. If you come back to your car, you get the same voice. Then you talk to your fridge, you get the same voice. To a smart toy, you get the same voice again. And the same voice will be used in very different contexts for very different applications. Can you imagine that? To the people that we talk to, we often get the feedback, I want a personalized voice. I want the voice to be my brand. And we offer that within Acapela. So basically, our mission is to develop personalized solutions for our customers with voices that always adapt to their context. So basically, in a word, to bring voice identities to the digital world. This is our mission. Because again, your voice matters. So, what are the benefits for the companies? First, to build a brand identity. To deliver the values and the messages of the brand through the voice. A very important point. loyalty to strengthen awareness of the brand, and differentiation, of course, because we can build an exclusive voice that will be used specifically by one single customer. So this is on the customer side, but now on the company side. But now on the customer side, it's very interesting for a customer to hear a specific voice because he can identify this voice as the voice of this company, and it can make customer engagement because, for instance, if you hear Amazon Voice, you link that to Amazon Web Store, and you know that you will be able to order something through this device. So there is a customer engagement linked to the voice identity. And of course, under stability, what I mean with that is that we can improve dramatically the quality of a voice in a specific domain. And it's very interesting for very specific applications where you need a very high quality or expressiveness. Let's take a few examples of personalized voices. So it's an experiment done by Allianz for GPS navigation systems. Basically what they have done is very interesting. They've put on the GPS children voices. And what they noticed is that through putting children voices on the GPS, the driver was driving more carefully because it was reminding him that maybe he has got family, he's got children, he's got a wife, and so he has to be careful while driving. So it has an impact on the customer. And by the way, Acapela is doing children voices, and this is one very important point of differentiation in our voice portfolio. So another example is Coyote. Coyote is famous, I mean, at least in France, but in many countries in Europe, device maker for GPS navigation system, but also alert zones, alerts on speed cameras on the road. Basically, what we have done for Coyote is very specific voices designed for their GPS navigation system and also for their alert messages on the road. And the new devices from Coyote will have our voices. And this is an example of personalized voice specifically designed for one single application and really well fitted to the user. So don't hesitate to buy Coyote devices and listen to our voices. Voice identity. So at Acapela, I really like that slide because we are here showing that among the customer needs, we are targeting this type of customer need, and we are specifically designing a voice for a specific brand with a specific messages, and really listening to the customer. What does he need for its type of application? So we are focusing on the blue duck. Of course, we have also yellow ducks, but blue ducks are basically our target. So I will not go into details about all the types of application that we can offer you to create specific voices, but I will just focus on two different technologies that we have inside and that our customers can use to create new voice specifically designed for one application. I will talk about deep neural network custom voices, which is artificial intelligence machine learning based, and concept-to-speech voices, CTS voices. So basically, our work within Acapela is to develop voices specifically designed for a customer, and after we can embed it in a specific solution. So it could be server-based, Windows, Linux, mobile-based, Android, iOS, Linux, etc., cloud-based, or in production tools. So let's talk about virtual vocal assistants. So we can make, of course, personalized voices, as I said, for virtual assistant. And basically, a very important thing is that our solutions offer flexibility and quality. So what I mean with flexibility is a really easy creation process for a new voice. Thanks to Acapela Deep Neural Network technology, we can create a voice after a few minutes recording. or even not recording, we get voice material out from the web or any type of support. And out of that, we can create a specific voice, and that you will recognize the identity of the voice in the synthetic voice. And quality, we can make very, very high quality voices on very dedicated applications. So an example of an application where we need these two things, flexibility and also quality. In a car interface, we have usual applications. We can talk about weather forecast, we can talk about, we can give GPS navigation information, we can talk about traffic, of course, to give any car alerts or point of interest. On that type of applications, we can make very, very high quality voices because these are predetermined domains. But also at the same time, we need solutions with very high flexibility because we need to be able to vocalize emails, news, text messages, etc. And we can offer both solutions, which is a very nice deal for a brand. I will not go into details, just to explain that very high quality voices, we have concept to speech. Basically what we do is to design a specific application in a specific use case, and we develop what we call a natural language generation software. C'est quoi? Ah oui. Ah oui, j'ai pas vu. C'est un piège. So this is an example of what we have done for Coyote with very nice voices. I will play examples right after. And of course, at the same time, we offer text-to-speech so that we can read any type of open text. So need for flexibility. I've talked about a cappella DNN, deep neural network. First, very nice thing with deep neural networks that with a very low set of recordings, we can create a voice. When I say low set of recordings, you can record 100 sentences and then we generate your voice, which is 100% automatic process. So it can allow creativity. You can create many, many voices with many different identities. Second point, you can do it with thanks to existing recordings, meaning that you don't need to go to a studio, record a speaker for that many sentences. You just give us material, and out of that, we'll extract the identity of the voice and create it in a specific speech synthesis voice. And third point is very fast production process. I mean, between the time we get the material and we get and the time we deliver the new voice can be 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum. So it's really quick, really flexible. I will play an example here. So HQ voice, high quality voice. This is basically what we have done and what we will go on doing, of course. Approximately, you need to record 5,000 prompts, which is 30 hours studio. So it's an investment, clearly, but it gives a very high quality voice. DNN that I'm talking about gives flexibility. So with 100 prompts, 30 minutes studio recording, and delivered within 2 weeks, we get this type of quality here.
Acapella Group, inspiring provider of voices and speech solutions. We create voices that read, inform, explain, present, guide, educate, tell stories, help to communicate, alarm, notify, entertain.
So this is an example of artificial voice created thanks to DNN. This was based on a professional studio recording. Now, need for high quality. Here is an example of weather forecast. So basically, I will play the audio file, both in English and French. Basically what happens, you can test it on our website. It's a live demo. When you select a city, when you click on the button to listen to the weather forecast, instantly we will grab on our partner, which is OpenWeatherMap. We'll grab the parameters of this exact location, and parameters are like sun conditions, temperature, wind speed, all that type of parameters, or maybe several dozens of parameters. And in real time, out of that parameters, thanks to our natural language generation tool, we'll generate a very nice weather forecast, which is both a text weather forecast, but also a voice weather forecast. So this is a static file, but of course you can go to our website and click on it and listen to the result. So this is a weather forecast generated for Paris a few days ago, I think. So it's not up to date regarding the real weather conditions, but...
Here's your weather report. After a chilly and rough night, tomorrow morning over the city of Paris, the sky will be rather changeable, with scattered clouds coming with a drizzle. It's going to be relatively mild and humid, with temperatures in line with seasonal norms and being around 5 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow afternoon, weather conditions will deteriorate as the cloud cover will progressively strengthen and the rain will remain. The thermometer will show about 9 degrees. Things get even worse tomorrow night. More clouds, rain, temperatures around 8 degrees.
Okay, so that was the example in English. I will take the time for the screen to connect again to play the French audio example, because I think part of the audience is in French speaking mode. So this is an example in French. Oops, sorry.
Voici votre bulletin météo. Ce soir, sur la ville de Paris, nous aurons globalement un ciel perturbé. Il y aura des nuages menaçants accompagnés d'une pluie fine. Quant aux températures, elles seront inférieures aux normales saisonnières puisqu'elles avoisineront 18 degrés. Après une nuit fraîche et agitée, demain matin, il y aura assez peu de changements. En effet, le voile nuageux comme la pluie seront toujours présents. Il fera environ 18 degrés. Légère amélioration demain après-midi, moins de nuages, moins de pluie et des températures aux alentours de 21 degrés.
So these two examples are artificial voices. So as you can hear, the quality is quite good. I think very few people can notice that this is artificial voice. And we deliver a very nice prosody. It looks very natural. It's possible because it has been designed on very specific applications. Here it is an example on the weather forecast. I will show you another example here for traffic information. So it will be a UK English example. What's very nice in this example is that you can hear that because it's based on Paris, it's a traffic information, general information on Paris traffic. Of course, we need to vocalize French names, which is a tricky thing because French names pronounced in English, then it brings some complexity. And this is the example that we can generate in real time. And again, live demo is on our website.
Hello, here's just a quick scan of the state of the roads. The traffic flow is pretty decent in the east area where you are now, but things are a little sluggish on the whole throughout the capital. That said, there are numerous stoppages to mention, and here's where they are. On the A86 exterior, traffic has slowed in the vicinity of Noisy-le-Sec and near Bobigny. What's more, on the A86 interior, traffic has built up close to Rosny-sous-Bois and in the vicinity of Fontenay-sous-Bois. In the Petite Couronne area, on the N3, it's jammed near Bondy. Finally, on the périphérique interior, between Porte de Bagnolet and Porte de Vincennes, it's blocked. That's it for now. Take it easy.
Yeah, so again, you can hear that the quality is really perfect. What's very nice as well is that in our NLG engine, we can integrate things to make the information much more friendly. We can add things like take it easy. According to the information that we give, we can add very customized information. Of course, if the information is quite bad, we'll not say something which is quite happy at the end. So we take into account the content to adapt to the type of messages that we pass. So yeah, just to conclude, we are at Acapella working today in more than 30 languages. So of course, we work a lot on European languages, Western Europe, but also UK and Asian languages. So I'm done with the presentation. Do you have any questions? Yeah.
How do you manage English terms in French? Because, for example, when a brand. Okay. How do you manage English terms in French sentences? For example, a name of a brand in a French.
Yeah. So depending on the type of solution that we provide, either text-to-speech or concept-to-speech, usually for brand name, which is a very important thing, we do it manually, meaning we check that the pronunciation is correct. And then we have usual lexicons that you can use for other proper nouns. Yeah.
Okay, so see, if we have a new name of brand, we have to record the new name.
No, not necessarily. Again, it depends on the type of project, but either we record it or we tune it in our existing voices. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I got a question about how you integrate actually in Vocal Assistant. Is it like SaaS solution?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we have many different types of solutions. As I said, it could be server-based, it could be mobile-based, Android, iOS, or Linux embedded. But it can be also cloud-based. And for Virtual Vocal Assistant, in the first step, we are working mostly on cloud-based.
So the idea is that we send you like the text or the SSML text, and then you translate it in a voice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you.
No one else? Oh, good.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I like voice. So, I have a question. Would it be possible to make your voice have some loft or being sad or yeah?
Yeah. So depending on voices, we can make voices with given expressiveness, and we can also add some exclure on specific voices, so that it can be played in a specific context. So yeah, this is something that we can do. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, exactly. Thanks to deep neural network technology, we can create a voice 100% automatically in a very short time frame. So we could imagine that we interact with a virtual assistant, it logs and it records your voice, we create automatically your voice, and then your voice will be used later in this virtual assistant. So we could imagine that your grandmother can talk to his children, or so we could imagine at home having specific voices for that home. Yeah, technically this is possible. After there is some work on the ecosystem, but yeah, yeah.
And what about the privacy? Because the voice print there's a lot of research about using the voice print in order to allow some services or monetization under the app. How can we handle this?
Yeah, today, to make a specific voice for a given customer, we need the agreement of this customer to generate his own voice. We need a specific contract for each customer. We can imagine when you will use a virtual vocal assistant that in the general conditions, when you accept to use the device, you accept that your voice can be recorded and that your voice will be used to generate a new voice. We can imagine that, but we are not that far today, but it could be possible, yeah. But today we are on a contract side. We are on a case-by-case basis.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.